Welcome to Dale Frazier Photography. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and we're actually going to be looking for seniors that are going to be graduating in 2024. If you know a senior that's going to be graduating in 2024, please share this video with them because I think it's something that might interest them as well. So let's get to the video. A little bit of a backstory about Project Senior 2024. I started doing senior pictures back in 2006, and I specialized in the Oklahoma City area as a senior portrait photographer, and I did that for many years. About the only difference that's happened or changed over the last few years is we've changed location. Our goals are still the same. The only difference is we're now serving the East Texas area instead of the Oklahoma City area. And our goals are exactly the same as they used to be. We want to provide you with some of the best senior pictures that you can get anywhere around. And we pride ourselves on being one of the best senior portrait photographers in the area. While I'm explaining to you Project Senior in this video, I'm going to be showing you some images from past senior sessions that we've done over the years. Again, we're looking for seniors that are going to be graduating in 2024. I know we're in the month of June, but the year's already flying by, and before you know it, school's going to be started. Project Senior consists of 8 photo shoots throughout the year. If at all possible, we do like to start the sessions maybe even the month before school starts. That way, by the time the end of the school year rolls around and in May, and you get your own photo album of nothing but you, you'll already have it so that you can take it to school and let your friends sign it. But Project Senior consists of 8 photo shoots. We'll do that throughout the year and we'll spread it out. There's an amazing transformation that happens during your senior year. You're going to see that difference at the beginning of the school year when you started your senior year and the transformation that takes place during your senior year, because you're going to start out as basically a junior, and at the end of the school year you're going to be an adult that's fixing to go out into the world and do the things that you want to do, whether it be college, a trade school, or whatever it is. But there's an amazing transformation that happens, and I know that over the years I've had many a parent comment by flipping through their student senior project book, and the amazing, like I say, it's just fun to watch. It's something that parents enjoy, and you'll actually enjoy being able to go back and look through it as well. Again, Project Senior is 8 photo sessions. We'll do them throughout the year. There'll be some studio and a lot of them will be on location. We try to be specific in what it is your hobbies are and build a program that will fit you, whether it be sports or like for me, when I was going through high school, one of my biggest deals was hunting and fishing. We'll work in whatever your hobbies are into your photo shoots and make something that's uniquely you. Again, we are a husband and wife team in the East Texas area, and we specialize in senior portrait photography. If you know somebody that's a senior or going to be graduating, again, please share this video with them. We do have several packages to choose from. You can go over to our website at dalefrazierphotography.net. Anything from a simple photo shoot all the way up to our Project Senior package is what we specialize in. We also understand budgets. Being a retired first responder, I completely understand budgets, and I know that people can't always pay money up front. And what we do is we try to work out a payment program that will fit you, and we can build a project that will fit your budget as well. Another thing that we do offer, if you're an energetic student and you really enjoy talking and you don't mind talking about Dale Frazier Photography to your friends, we do allow for ambassadors as well. And that's a way that we can work together where we can get a few more of your buddies in our studio or even meet you on location and do some more senior project stuff with you, and there'll be a way that you can save money as well. If that's something that interests you, please go over to our website at dalefrazierphotography.net, hit the contact us. Tell us why you'd like to be an ambassador and how we could work together. We'd love to hear from you. Again, Project Senior is going to be underway soon. Because of the time that it takes for Project Senior, and throughout the year in the photo sessions, you'll end up with a 20-page photo album that's filled with nothing but you that you can take to your school and let your friends sign. But because of the length of the project, we only allow 8 students per year into Project Senior. So if that's something that interests you, we'd like to get you signed up as quickly as possible. We can actually start doing some of your sessions before school starts. In fact, I encourage that, and it takes some of the stress off of you throughout the year between sports or whatever stuff you're involved in academically, and it just makes life easier. Again, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. If you've worked with us in the past, please comment down below and tell people what they can expect so that it's not just coming from us. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we couldn't be doing this business without y'all. Thank you so much for your support, and we look forward to working with you. And if you are going to be graduating in 2024, congratulations to you. Whether we work together or not, I'm honored and proud and happy for you. Again, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. May you have a blessed week, and let's go shoot some fun stuff.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me that